What's the one thing that connects a hot coral debit card, a record-breaking crowdfunding campaign, and a name that was picked by its customers? The story of Monzo. It's a bank that started with a simple idea, to build a current account that lives on your smartphone. But getting there was anything but simple. The journey began in 2015 when a team led by Tom Blomfield founded the company, originally known as Mondo. Their vision was a bank without branches, a bank that was transparent, and a bank that put its users first. The early days were all about proving the concept. Mondo launched an alpha and beta prepaid debit card, and the response was electric. People were signing up in droves, hungry for a different kind of banking experience. This grassroots support was key, and it led to one of their first major milestones. In 2016, Mondo launched a crowdfunding campaign that shattered records, raising £1 million in just 96 seconds. But just as things were taking off, they hit a major roadblock. Mondo was legally challenged over its name. Rather than getting bogged down in a long, expensive legal battle, they turned to their community. They asked their users for a new name, and from over 12,000 suggestions, one stood out: Monzo. The rebrand was a turning point. With a new name and a loyal, engaged community, Monzo was on a mission. In 2017, they achieved a huge milestone, securing their full UK banking license. This allowed them to transition from a prepaid card service to offering full current accounts, giving customers features like sort codes and proper deposit protection. From there, Monzo's growth was explosive. They added features like instant spending notifications, easy bill splitting, and the famous pots for saving money. By October 2018, they had hit 1 million customers, and their bright coral card had become a status symbol. Today, Monzo has grown to millions of customers and has even reached profitability, proving that their unique model, built on customer obsession and transparency, could work. They've gone from a scrappy startup to a major player in the world of finance, all by staying true to that original vision of a bank for the digital age. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.